Hey loves, it's Mia and I'm back with another video. I know, sis, I know. I've been MIA, but college, sis, full-time job. But I'm back and I'm better with more content. So today I will be showing you guys how I got this sleek low bun on type 4 hair. I believe I have 4B, 4C, I'm not sure. If you know, let me know down in the comments because girl, just now getting into this natural thing. So I am a year and 4 months, what is the word, natural now I guess, and I cut my hair into a bob, so you will see my hair is cut kind of weird. So yeah, keep in mind my hair is cut into a bob, and I did add up, some hair to this. So with this look, sis, I mean, sis, this is classic, simple, cute. If you want to know how I achieved this look, keep watching and make sure you like, subscribe, comment, leave anything that you would like for me to do. Comments. See you guys in the next video. So you will need a detangling brush. This is very necessary. Please do not use this. That is a weave brush. Do not use it. You will mess up your hair. You will also need a spray bottle. I have leave-in conditioner and water in mine. And gel of your choice. I have Eco and As I Am. And I have the Shea Moisture Curl Cream. I think that's what it is. Very good stuff. I love it. And you will need a comb for that part, so it can be good and nice. And oil of your choice. I use the Jamaican black castor oil. And a brush. So now I am going to section my hair off. So I do have type 4 hair for sure, so the only way I will be able to achieve any type of bun or ponytail is to section my hair off and do it by section. So now you will just see me sectioning my hair off. Crazy. Yes, look at that face. It is so hard. Well, it's not so hard. If you use water and conditioner, it's easier to handle. So make sure you are using water. It's easier to comb out or brush your hair when your hair is already wet. I just want to show y'all those curls back there. And yes, I use way too much product. Like, please don't be like me and overuse the product. I got a little too happy with it. It's everywhere, but it dries clear, so keep that in mind. So I'll be doing the same steps basically, and I am applying the Shea Moisture Curl Cream on my hair as I go, so I can detangle and have those curls flourishing in that ponytail, sis. I don't know what I was listening to. Look at my face. Oh my goodness. I get really amazed when I see curls, y'all. Like, I'm a newbie, so I get really excited. And then you just put it on in a ponytail, section by section. Girl, oh my goodness. Brushing it up into the ponytail by the section, as I said. Oh gosh.
The only one to get to me, only one to get this close. So I want you to come here.
Now I am taking the soft brush and the As I Am smoothing gel to lay that down. I love the As I Am. I feel like it gets good, girl. Get some inches good. Make sure you have a soft brush. This is very necessary for this process. Y'all, I was really struggling in this video, no lie. Like, look, oh my goodness. Oh, girl. So this is where the comb comes in. You need to make sure that part looks nice and neat. And yeah, see, I'm kind of struggling. I like my part to look good. I like that deep side part. And see, I will use the other comb because that was better. The metal rat tail comb, it's way better. I'm taking the As I Am gel and smoothing it down because that's the front part, so it has to look the best, you know. And I do use the Eco at the top as well because I feel like the Eco really holds it down. Now this is the struggle where you have to put all of your hair in the bun. Like, y'all, this really took me a minute. And then you see I'm kind of moving the ponytail over to the side so I can have that side, you know, bun effect. I am struggling. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I didn't want it straight to the back. I like it cocked to the side, girl. And as you can see, I still have perm on my ends in the front. So I don't know if I want to just cut it or, because it still gives me my length, you know. But I don't know, I'm debating on if I want to cut it or keep it. So I don't know. Make sure you use the Eco Styler gel in the front for sure so it can be held down completely. This was a struggle for real, y'all. Like, all my hair going into the bun. Like, And so I love, if you know me, I love my sideburns, so I'll pull out my sideburns. Now this is your choice. You do not have to do this step, but I love to have my sideburns out. Yes, honey. At this point, I am tired. So now I'm taking the Shea Moisture Curl Cream and just putting it on my sideburns so they can curl up how I want them to. And now I'm taking the Eco Style Gel and getting those baby hairs, or my imaginary baby hairs, together. I couldn't find my edge control, and I actually need some new edge control, so comment below the best edge control for type 4 hair. Like, I need to know this. Please fill me in. And it takes me a while to do my edges, so I did them off camera. And you will need a scarf to lay this down, sis. Please get a scarf. You can get this from your local beauty supply store for like $3 maybe. Go home, go and do your makeup while you wait or whatever. And you can keep it like this if you want to, but I didn't want to. I like to, you know, put it a little more. So I got some hair from, I just had some old hair laying around, and I honestly just put the ball like of hair onto my hair, and you will see me like playing around with it, trying to make it look natural. See, like, yeah, I had to redo it. But please make sure the tracks are not showing. Like, I keep doing it over and over so the tracks won't show. But I honestly just put it in a ball so it can look natural as possible. And I like to have that hanging just to give it that more natural look. And yes, Flamia, yes, honey. Give it to him. Oh, yes. Mwah. So if you like this look, comment below, like, subscribe, comment. See you guys in the next video. Mwah.